If you love Nigerian puff puff, this is a puff puff to make. This is a puff puff to like. This is a puff puff to love. Welcome to my channel. We are making yogurt puff puff today. Here are the ingredients you use for this recipe. Self-rising flour. Yes, ensure that it is self-rising. Plain milk yogurts. You don't want vanilla or whatever, except you want your puff puff flavored that way. You need sugar to sweeten your puff puff. You need nutmeg or cinnamon and salt. The measure for the ingredients is listed on the screen. Follow along as I measure and have this mixed up. If you're a returning subscriber that is watching this video at this time, I want to say a big thank you to you. Thank you so very much for watching my videos. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for recommending my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos if you have done so. I really appreciate you, okay? Thank you so much. If you're watching my video for the first time, it's good to have you here. I hope if you find any value from this video, you subscribe and join the family, okay? It will be good to have you here. Thank you so much. If you want your yogurt puff puff to come out really good, I advise that you follow the measurements, okay? Don't compromise on the measurements so that your recipe will come out as perfect as the one that you're seeing here. Yes, I tell you, it came out really perfect. Having mixed the batter to this point, let me put the oil on fire to start heating up because we are frying immediately after mixing. I am using peanut oil, but feel free to use any frying oil of your choice, okay? What you're looking for is a very smooth batter, so you keep mixing this batter until you have achieved a very smooth paste or very smooth batter. I like using my spatula to do this. Some people like using their clean washed hands, but do whatever works for you, okay? Also note the consistency of the batter. I think I have achieved the smoothness that I desired, so we are proceeding now to fry. I like to insert a skewer into the hot oil. If it fries, like if I have the frying effect on the oil, I know that the oil is hot enough. And I like to scoop my batter with clean washed hands. You want your hands to be wet so that the butter can slide off your fingers easily. In case you want to make your puff puff like this, but you don't have self-rising flour, I have taken time to list out how you will combine your plain flour with baking powder to achieve what is known as self-rising flour. Just look at the screen. The measurement is there. Thank you. Please remember to fry on medium heat so that your puff puff can cook through inside and not get too brown quickly. Remember to flip your puff puff to the other side so that it can fry evenly. Having achieved my desired brownness, I scoop off the puff puff like you can see me do. So I repeat the process until I've used up the entire batter. Here we are. The frying process is completed. Friend, you want to hang around to get the taste of this puff puff compared to the regular yeast puff puff, right? The texture is just like the yeast puff puff. No difference in the texture. The taste is slightly different. This is really very good, but the yeast taste is missing in this because yeast was not used in the batter. Let me know in the comment section when you try this. Let me know your preference. But I tell you that this is a winning recipe too. Another difference between this and the regular yeast puff puff is that this is slightly more expensive. So if you're making a large batch of puff puff, you have to factor in the price for buying yogurt and self-rising flour, which is slightly more expensive than the regular flour. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and also leave me your comments, okay? You can also check out other interesting recipes of puff puff too under my playlist. Till my next video, thank you so much again for watching. God bless you. Bye.